Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Mr. B, and Mr. B came in for the 1-year follow-up. Tell us about your experience.
It was great. I'm glad I did it. There's a huge difference from when I'm looking at my before pictures, and I couldn't be happier. It shaped my face nicely. I feel much more secure. I like looking at pictures. I don't need Photoshop anymore. So yeah, I'm very happy with the results for sure.
And what we did is we actually lowered your hairline approximately 2 centimeters, maybe 2.5 centimeters, something that was bothering you for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
And this is all natural hair. You go swimming in it, you go diving in it, play sports in it, and we're going to show before and after pictures. For somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, what would you recommend?
Definitely go with it. This has changed my whole outlook on everything, and I feel so secure and happy in my own skin now, much more than before.
And your incision site?
I don't even remember.
I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Again, it's great seeing you. Thank you so much for coming in for the 1-year follow-up, and we're here for you whenever, if ever you need us in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.